Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add audio effects to a clip in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the edit menu where we have our project. From here we just go into a project that we want to edit. Then find the clip that we want to add the audio to. Tap on edit, scroll to the right, and then here we find audio effects. If we tap on this, then we will find a list of different kinds of effects that we can apply to the audio of that clip, that video. Currently I don't have a video inserted here, so it's just a picture, but if you have a video inserted, then you can use the audio effects. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.